Usually when I have to write the equation of a line, I start by writing it in point-slope form because it's the simplest. Literally all you need is a point and a slope. So I just made ourselves a little checklist. We need both a point and a slope in order to write the equation of this line. Now luckily they already gave us the points, so we have that done. The point we're going to use is 4, -8. Now all we need to do is find the slope. So we're going to take this line, just going to do some work over here. I think it's easiest to find the slope if we rearrange this into y equals mx plus b form, or slope-intercept form. So I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides. And this is almost in slope-intercept form. I need this to be positive. So I'm going to multiply everything by -1, and that's just going to flip all of the signs. Now the slope of this line is 2. But they told us to do a line that's perpendicular to this one. Oh, didn't mean to do that. Okay, now a perpendicular slope is an opposite reciprocal. Opposite means we change the sign. So since this is positive, it's going to be negative. Reciprocal means we flip the fraction. So instead of 2/1, it's going to be 1/2. Another example, if your original slope was -3/4, the opposite reciprocal would be 4/3. If your original slope was 1/5, your opposite reciprocal slope would be -5. So you make it an opposite sign and you flip around the fraction. Okay, and that is our slope, -1/2. Okay, grab a new color here, and now we can write this in point-slope form. So the way point-slope form works, y minus y1. So y1 is the y coordinate of our point, so -8, equals m, which is our slope. And then in parentheses, x minus x1. x1 is the y coordinate, or sorry, the x coordinate of our point. Now this is where you'll have to read the directions and see what form your answer is supposed to be in. Probably it's supposed to be in slope-intercept form. And if that's the case, all we need to do is rearrange this a bit. Minus negative can become plus. I can distribute this -1/2 to both of these terms, -1/2 x. Negative times negative is positive, so that becomes +2. And there we go. Just subtract 8 from both sides. And there is our equation of the line written in slope-intercept form. It would be a little bit different if it was supposed to be written in standard form. Some teachers also let you leave it in point-slope form, but probably it's supposed to be in y equals mx plus b form. Just as a side note, if this said parallel to the line, then the slope we would have used would be 2. Because when you have parallel lines, their slopes are exactly the same. You're going up and over the same amount for both lines. Perpendicular slopes are opposite reciprocals.